Hi everyone, Michelle here at Serendipity House in New Hampshire. I just finished this dresser. What do you think? I love the animals on the new Bungalow Iron Orchid Design Transfer. It's 8 pages and I'm going to show you how I wasn't able to use the full transfer on this dresser. So I had to cut it into pieces and arrange part of my own design. I have a full product list below with links. It'll take you right to my website, Serendipity.House. Have fun creating. This maple bureau was thoroughly prepped with a light sanding and filler for the holes before I got to my paint. I'm using DIY clay-based paint for this project, which you can find on my website, Serendipity.House. This is Kissing Booth. It's a bright pink, and I used a lot of water and several different colors. Keep on blending until you love what you have, because this is the backdrop for your transfer.
Thinking you knew better than the other guys, riding on backbiting and get away with life.
I'm using the Iron Orchid Designs 8-page transfer called Bungalow. I definitely wanted this leopard, so I'm starting in my lower right-hand corner.
What you decide, but I know for sure today will come when you first realize what you have done, and you finally get your debt repaid.
The IOD Bungalow transfer is larger than the size of my dresser front, so I'm going to be making a lot of cuts and adjustments to make this fit perfectly the way I want it.
Oh yeah.
Continue to rub the paper. If you can get a little bit of air behind it and an air bubble, it will help you to release.
The first time that I met you, I thought it looked so sweet. I stood around for the heels beat.
Now that the first part of the image is on my bureau, I am going to take a couple more sheets to map out my design. I'm leaving the backing paper on at this point.
Things went down. Living on the trenches, looking for a way to escape. You always catch me down like a dreamers with on grapes. But never mind how I try.
Next, take a piece of grid sheet and in gentle circular motions, burnish your transfer into your paint, making sure that there are no loose little bits. Apply a sealer. Now, I thought this piece needed a little extra leopard, so I'm using the Iron Orchid Designs Catwalk Stamp. I mixed the IOD inks Newgrass and Tomato to get a nice soft brown color.
Only think about ourselves, oh yeah. About ourselves. About ourselves.
When I stepped back and took a look, I decided I need more dark and moody and less shiny. So I tweaked it with some DIY Dark and Decrepit, Adored Chaos, and Wise Owl matte varnish. And I think it came out just perfect.
Nickel plate. Nickel plate. Oh no. Be careful, child. Never play with fire.
My favorite part is the animals that are on this. This is something new and exciting, and I got to get out my leopard clothes.